Example 3 is a little more complex, but it is no big deal. So we have to find the least common denominator, right? So this is the one where you have to follow step 1 by factoring, okay? So this was b squared minus 2bc plus c squared. We need to actually factor that so before we find the least common denominator. So b squared minus 2bc plus c squared. You can do the box method here, and I know this will become b squared and this is c squared. So therefore, this is b and this is b, this is b. And here is c, and then we have b times b gives me b squared, and I want this to equal negative 2bc. So these must both be negative bc. So therefore, this should be minus c and minus c. And these are my two factors. So this can be written as b minus c times b minus c. Or it can be further down as b minus c squared, right? So all of this gets factored out to b minus c squared. So going back to our rule about listing all the unique factors, so I have b minus c from this rational expression and then b minus c squared from this part of my rational expression. So which one has the highest exponent? They both are the same binomial, so then you have to see, okay, which one has the highest exponent, and it's this one here. So that's our least common denominator. So then this becomes, we want this to be b minus c squared and then b minus c squared. Now, this is equivalent to this, so we don't have to change anything. That's already has the highest or the least common denominator. So then here I want this to be b minus c squared, or b minus c squared. So in this case, I would need to multiply this times another b minus c. And then whatever I do to the bottom, I do to the top. So then this becomes b times b minus c, right? So now my new numerator is equal to b minus c squared. And I have b squared minus, and just to keep my colors consistent, b minus c. Okay, then you can do your scratch work. And I have b squared minus b times b minus c. I can distribute the b, and I get b squared minus or plus bc. And then I'll notice that b squared minus b squared will give me 0. So then I'm just left over with bc. So then my final answer is going to be bc over b minus c squared. Okay.